Welcome to the Mertnell video on adding contributions. To enter a direct contribution of money, the appropriate report must be selected from the Reports tab. Once a report is highlighted, select the Summary page in Data Entry tab. Double-click the Add New icon on the Contributions line. Select the name of the contributor from the drop-down list. If the name record is not listed in the Names tab, select Add New Name to prompt a new name information window. After entering the new name record, select OK to return to the transaction window. Enter the date the contribution was made. Enter the amount of the contribution. A description for a direct contribution is not mandatory. If the contribution received was associated with a fundraising event held by your committee, use the Fundraising Event drop-down to select the appropriate event. If the fundraiser is not listed in the drop-down list, exit this window and create the fundraising event. See Add New or Modify Fundraisers for additional assistance. Select OK to save and exit. To modify an existing transaction, open the All Transactions tab. To open the All Transactions tab, select View from the toolbar and select All Transactions. Locate the appropriate record and click once to highlight the transaction. Select the Modify Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Modify to make the necessary changes. Make the changes and select OK to save and exit. A verification window will appear asking if you are sure you would like to modify or amend the selected object. Select Yes to continue or No to cancel. Please note, transactions within a closed report cannot be modified. Right-click on the transaction you wish to modify and select Amend to make the necessary change transaction. Select OK to save and exit. To delete transactions, select the Delete Item icon on the toolbar, or right-click and choose Delete. Please note that transactions within a closed report cannot be deleted. To remove a transaction from a previously filed report, right-click and select D-Report to remove the transaction. The original transaction will continue to show in the All Transactions list, but will be grayed out. Be sure to save and back up the committee's MERTS file each day. For additional assistance, visit the MERTS website at www.mertsplus.com. Thank you.